Hello and welcome to Health Time, where we're learning about unhealthy habits. Today I want to talk to you about medicines and drugs. Drugs are chemicals that change the way your body works. Even good drugs, when abused, are bad for you. Medicines are legal drugs. Doctors are allowed to prescribe them for patients. Stores can sell them, and people are allowed to purchase them. But it's not safe for people to use these medicines any way they want. And it's not legal to buy them from someone who sells them illegally. What do we call legal drugs? Medicines. When can medicines or good drugs be bad for you? When they are abused. When people talk about the drug problem, they usually mean abuse of legal drugs or use of illegal drugs, such as marijuana, ecstasy, cocaine, LSD, crystal, meth, and heroin. Marijuana is illegal in many countries, but in some, doctors are allowed to prescribe marijuana for adult patients to relieve the pain from certain illnesses, such as multiple sclerosis. Fill in the gaps. When people talk about the drug problem, they usually mean abuse of legal drugs and use of illegal drugs. Can you name some illegal drugs? The examples in the book are marijuana, ecstasy, cocaine, LSD, crystal, meth, heroin. Illegal drugs can damage the brain, the heart, and other important organs. Cocaine, for instance, can cause a heart attack, even in a young person. People who use drugs cannot do so well at school, in sports, or other activities. It's often hard to think clearly and to make decisions. People can do silly or dangerous things that can hurt themselves or others when they use drugs. Fill in the gaps. While using drugs, it's often harder to think clearly and make decisions. Let's look at the picture. Lungs. Smoking marijuana can injure or destroy lung tissue. Tobacco smoke contains cancer-causing chemicals, but in fact, marijuana smoke contains 50 to 70% more of some cancer-causing chemicals than does tobacco smoke.